For number 1, again, the first part tells us the radius, and the second part tells us the angle. What we're going to do is we're going to find the angle starting on 0. We'll go around to 120, and at 120 then we're going to count up the radius. 1, 2, and here is point A. For number 2, it's in radians, but it's okay. Our radius is 4, and our angle is negative pi over 2. Pi over 2 is up here. Negative pi over 2, we're going clockwise. So here's my angle, and then I'm going to count from the origin out 4 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's point H. For number 3, find 7 pi over 6. It's my line over here. However, the radius is negative, so I said it goes backwards or in the opposite direction. So instead of going towards 7 pi over 6, I'm going to follow this line backwards. 1, 2, 3. And here's point D. Try it in degrees for point T. Again, my radius is negative, and my angle is 315. So I find 315, and then I go backwards following 315. 1, 2. Here is point T. For 5, both the radius and the angle are negative. So I'm going to go pi over 3 if I count 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to count clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's negative pi over 3. Since it's a negative 3, I'm going to go backwards 3 rings. 1, 2, 3. And here is point B. Number 6, 0 degrees. And then I'm going backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is point S.